In the heart of the Netherlands, a hidden gem awaits, a village unlike any other. Here, roads surrender to the gentle embrace of canals, creating a symphony of rippling waters and whispering reeds. Giethoorn, often called the Venice of the North, invites us to journey into a world where time seems to flow at a different pace, where nature's tranquility reigns supreme. Join me as we explore this enchanting village, where every corner whispers tales of history, beauty, and the enduring harmony between man and nature. The lifeblood of Giethoorn, the canals weave a labyrinthine path through the village, connecting homes, gardens, and hearts. Step aboard a whisper boat, its electric motor gliding silently through the water, allowing you to fully immerse in the tranquility of your surroundings. As you drift along the canals, admire the meticulously maintained gardens bursting with colorful blooms, each one a testament to the village's deep connection with nature. The gentle rocking of the boat, the soft lapping of water against the hull, creates a soothing rhythm, inviting you to relax and embrace the serenity of this unique environment. Alternatively, join a guided canal cruise, where knowledgeable locals share fascinating insights into Giethoorn's history, culture, and the delicate ecosystem that thrives within its watery embrace. Learn about the origins of the canals, dug centuries ago for peat harvesting, and how they evolved into the defining feature of this charming village. Listen to tales of the traditional punt boats, once used for transportation and trade, and now a symbol of Giethoorn's timeless charm. Whether you choose a self-guided whisper boat adventure or a guided tour, a canal cruise is an essential experience in Giethoorn. It allows you to witness the village from its most authentic perspective, where the gentle sway of the water sets the pace for exploration and discovery. To delve deeper into Giethoorn's rich past, step ashore and visit the Museum Giethoorn Oude Mathuis, a beautifully preserved farmhouse that offers a glimpse into the lives of the villagers in bygone eras. Within its walls, time seems to stand still. The rooms are adorned with antique furniture, tools, and household items, each object whispering tales of daily life in a simpler time. Imagine the families who once inhabited this house, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature, their days filled with the tasks of farming, fishing, and tending to their homes. Through the carefully curated exhibits, the museum paints a vivid picture of their resilience, ingenuity, and the strong sense of community that has always characterized Giethoorn. As you explore the museum, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the traditions and values that have shaped this unique village, a place where the echoes of the past resonate strongly in the present, reminding us of the enduring connection between generations. From the depths of time to the wonders of the natural world, our journey through Giethoorn takes us to de Oude Aarde, a museum dedicated to the mesmerizing beauty of minerals and fossils. Here, the Earth's hidden treasures are unveiled, showcasing the intricate processes that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Be captivated by the dazzling array of crystals, their geometric forms reflecting the inherent order within nature's apparent chaos. Marvel at the fossilized remains of ancient creatures, frozen in time, offering glimpses into worlds long vanished. Each specimen tells a story, a chapter in the Earth's epic narrative, inviting us to contemplate the vastness of time and the interconnectedness of all living things. De Oude Aarde is a place of wonder and discovery, where science and art converge to create an experience that is both educational and awe-inspiring. It reminds us that the Earth holds secrets yet to be uncovered, mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that the pursuit of knowledge is an endless journey. Giethoorn's allure extends beyond its charming canals and captivating museums, reaching into the heart of de Vierbeemweden National Park, a sprawling wilderness teeming with life. Here, nature reigns supreme, offering a sanctuary for a diverse array of flora and fauna. Embark on a hike through the park's network of trails, immersing yourself in the sights and sounds of the Dutch countryside. Breathe in the fresh air, scented with the fragrance of wildflowers and damp earth. Listen to the chorus of birdsong, a symphony of melodies echoing through the trees. If you prefer a more leisurely pace, rent a bike and cycle along the serene paths, feeling the wind in your hair as you glide through the picturesque landscapes. For a truly immersive experience, Rent a canoe and paddle through the tranquil waterways, observing the rich biodiversity that thrives within the park's watery embrace. Returning to the heart of Giethoorn, take a leisurely stroll or cycle along the charming paths that wind their way through the village. Admire the traditional thatched roof farmhouses, their timeless designs a testament to the enduring connection between the villagers and their heritage. Each house tells a story, a tale of families who have lived and thrived in this unique environment for generations. As you wander through the village, you'll encounter countless wooden bridges, each one a graceful arch spanning the canals, connecting homes, gardens, and lives. These bridges are not merely structures, they are symbols of the interconnectedness of the community, a reminder that Giethoorn's beauty lies not only in its individual elements, but also in the harmony that binds them together. Take your time, soak in the atmosphere, and let the charm of Giethoorn's historic architecture and picturesque setting wash over you. Every corner offers a new perspective, a fresh glimpse into the timeless beauty of this enchanting village. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over Giethoorn, it's time to indulge in the culinary delights that this village has to offer. For a truly exceptional dining experience, make your way to Restaurant de Lindenhof, a Michelin-starred establishment renowned for its exquisite Dutch cuisine. Step into a world of culinary artistry, where Chef Martin Kriethoff masterfully blends traditional flavors with innovative techniques, creating dishes that are both visually stunning and gastronomically satisfying. Each plate is a work of art, showcasing the freshest, seasonal ingredients sourced from local farms and producers. Immerse yourself in the elegant ambiance of the restaurant, its warm lighting and stylish decor creating an inviting atmosphere. Allow the attentive staff to guide you through the menu, sharing their knowledge of the dishes and suggesting wine pairings that perfectly complement your culinary journey. Beyond the intricate network of canals, Giethoorn embraces the tranquil expanse of Bovenweide Lake, a haven for those seeking respite and recreation. As you approach the lake, feel a sense of calm wash over you, the gentle breeze carrying the scent of fresh water and the whisper of rustling reeds. Bovenweide Lake offers a myriad of ways to connect with nature. Rent a sailboat and glide across the shimmering surface, feeling the wind propel you forward as you explore the lake's hidden coves and inlets. If you prefer a more invigorating experience, take a refreshing swim in the cool waters, letting the stress of the day melt away. For those seeking a moment of quiet contemplation, simply relax by the water's edge, listening to the gentle lapping of waves and observing the interplay of light and shadow on the surface. Bovenweide Lake is a sanctuary for the soul, a place where you can reconnect with nature's rhythms and find inner peace. While Giethoorn's charm is undeniable, a short journey from the village takes us to the historic town of Blokziel, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This charming town, with its well-preserved architecture and picturesque harbour, offers a delightful day trip, a chance to delve deeper into the rich history and culture of the region. As you stroll through Blokziel's cobblestone streets, admire the elegant houses that line the canals, their gabled roofs and ornate facades reflecting the town's prosperous past. Explore the charming harbour, where historic sailing ships bob gently on the water, a testament to Blokziel's maritime heritage. Take a break from your explorations at one of the many cafes and shops that dot the town, savouring a cup of coffee or browsing through local crafts and souvenirs. Blokziel offers a glimpse into a different facet of Dutch life, a blend of history, charm, and a welcoming atmosphere that will leave you wanting more. Our journey through Giethoorn draws to a close, but the memories of this enchanting village will linger long after we depart. We've witnessed the harmonious coexistence of man and nature, where canals replace roads and the pace of life is set by the gentle rhythm of the water. Giethoorn reminds us that beauty can be found in the simplest of things, in the quiet tranquility of nature, in the preservation of traditions, and in the enduring spirit of community. As we bid farewell to this hidden gem of the Netherlands, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the delicate balance of our world and the importance of preserving such unique and precious places for generations to come.